What you see on my screen here, this is the dashboard. You can navigate to the dashboard through the panel on the left. Here is where you'll be able to view all open, assigned, and unassigned contacts, have a view of the statuses of your team members, all open and closed conversations, as well as any merge suggestions and upcoming broadcasts. Back over to the left panel, you'll be able to view all your messages. This is your inbox. Here is where you'll be able to see all conversations assigned to yourself, as well as conversations that are left unassigned. You'll also have a view of different team inboxes and be able to create a custom inbox based on different categories, as what you see here on my screen. I can choose a category and, for example, add a tag and save to a new inbox. Over to the right panel is where you'll be able to view different contact fields. You can create various custom contact fields, which we will look over later when we go through the settings. Here is also where you'll be able to see different merge suggestions, if they are available, and see which channels are connected for a particular contact. Under activities, you'll also be able to leave comments to other members of your team on the platform. Comments are only viewed by internal members using the Respond.io platform. Now, let's go over your contacts. As you can see here, you'll be able to add contacts manually. You can also add contacts through a CSV file by importing it into the platform, as well as via Contacts API. Over to the right, you'll see a section that says Add Segment. Segments will allow you to group your contacts based on different interests, different tags, or even different contact fields in order for you to do targeted broadcasting. As you can see here on the left, there will be a few preset segments. These preset segments can be removed if they are not segments that you require. You'll then be able to add your own segment, as you can see here on my screen. Back over to the left, you'll see broadcasts. This is where you'll be able to send out different broadcast messages to different groups of contacts or to your entire contact list. I can click on Add Broadcast, give it a name, and create. Here is where you'll be able to choose the different segments. I can choose Test as what I created earlier, and channel type. If I want to choose a specific channel, keep in mind that different channels will have different rules that you have to abide by. Over on the left, you'll be able to access your reports. Here, you'll be able to have a view of your agent's average first response time, average resolution, and this can be filtered based on teams as well as individual users. You also have access to a heat map, which will indicate the number of messages you receive during different hours of the day. You'll also see conversation categories, which can be added and modified according to your business needs. Over to the bottom will be your conversation list. This will indicate the time in which a conversation was closed, as well as further information regarding who was the assigned agent and the time that the conversation was open. Over under users, you'll be able to have a quick view of all your individual users' performance, including their assigned conversations, closed conversations, and more. Under contacts, you'll be able to view the contacts added, contacts deleted, as well as the source of how these contacts were added into the platform. Under messages, you'll be able to see all incoming and outgoing messages, as well as a failed message log. Should your message not be sent through, this is where you'll be able to view a summary of why. Under logs, this will show you your contact assignment log and a comment log. This can also be filtered based on individual users.